How to turn off your iPhone without the touchscreen. Welcome to another Gauging Gadgets iPhone tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off your iPhone without the use of your touchscreen. So if maybe your touchscreen isn't working or your phone is not responding to any touch, by the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to turn off your iPhone. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribing to my channel because that really helps me out. All right, so in order to turn off our iPhone without the touchscreen, we're going to need to use the buttons on our iPhone. First thing we need to do, in order, we need to hit the volume up button, then the volume down button, and then hold the power button. If your phone screen is working, you'll see slide to power off, turn on. Go ahead and continue to hold the power button until the screen turns off, and then you can let go. All right, so that's how you turn off any iPhone without a touchscreen. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more iPhone tips and tutorials, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.